Salute, it's Paul from dronesgear.com, and I know you don't want to see my face right now. You just want to get the list with the top drones for kids. I know it, but let's get a moment and check the fact. The thing is, drones on this list aren't only for children. Adults can also play with them. But make sure that if your kid plays with a drone like this, they play in a safe environment, and preferably you should watch over them. This being said, let's see the list itself. I will order them from the most expensive to the least expensive, but I don't really pick any favorites. They're all great depending on how old the kid is or maybe what you want to do with the drone. Don't forget that you can find links to buy all these drones down in the description. At the most expensive side, we usually have camera drones. And the better the camera is, usually the more expensive the drone is. The most expensive on the list, and probably the most impressive, is the DJI Spark, which is actually a fully fledged camera drone for almost professional use. You can actually use this drone to film at weddings or for your trips, so if you get this, get it for your teenager maybe. Let him or her learn how to use it, and maybe he can make some side money in the meantime or simply learn how to edit videos. The Spark comes with a 2-axis gimbal that stabilizes the shots very well, and it shoots in 1080p. The pictures it takes are 4K and have incredible detail to them. It can fly for up to 15 minutes and can go up to 3 kilometers in range. Not only that, it can be used as a selfie drone and controlled with your hand without even touching the controller. This drone can also follow you and do interesting shots by itself, like circling around a certain object or doing an asteroid shot. The next drone is considerably cheaper, however it still does record and take amazing pictures. It's called the Tello and can record video pretty well stabilized, and also takes photos. It's not on the level of the previous one, but I'm pretty sure this is the best camera drone under $100. It can fly super stable, so you don't really need to constantly adjust its position while it's in the air. A kid could have a lot of fun with it even around the back garden. But operating this drone is still a little complex, so you might want to teach yourself first how to do it. It works with the app connected to the drone, and you only have to use your phone to fly it around. If the kid is very interested in the Star Wars universe, there are actually fully functional Star Wars drones on Amazon, and they're usually under $100. They simply look amazing. I must admit, I kinda want all of them as an adult, and I'm probably not the only one. Next on the list is a drone that's made for entertaining children, and that is the Parrot Mambo. It's a drone very similar to the Tello, but instead of focusing on taking photos and videos, it has a modular build, basically Lego pieces where you can attach a cannon or claw. The cannon shoots small plastic balls and you can trigger it at any time from the phone application. The claw can be used to deliver secret messages or simply carry light things around. Kids actually love this drone a lot. The most sold drone on Amazon is actually a kid's drone that is very well protected in a cage. In my opinion, this is the perfect drone for kids. Period. It's about $50, there is a link in the description. It's basically a drone ball that flies by itself without any need to control it. And kids can pass it around in the air and control its trajectory with their hands by making it go higher, lower or side by side. If you don't know how to pick, just pick this one. It's the safest on the list and a ton of fun for kids who don't want to learn more complicated drone controls or are simply too young. This is a great way to help them play with their friends at the same time. It also comes in 3 colors. Next on the list is a drone that's super easy to control as it works with the motion of your hand. This means your kid will learn how to fly it pretty quickly, and I know this is very fun to fly as I had one myself. Last but not least, actually probably the most impressive, is also the cheapest. It doesn't do much, but the size of it is absolutely stunning. It's almost the size of a coin and comes inside its own transmitter. It doesn't have a camera, however, it's super cheap, very durable, and it's super impressive that such a small drone can not only fly properly, but also do flips. I'm sure your kid will be pretty happy to see that. Again, links are in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you want to see more drone tops like this, or just technology in general. Thanks for watching and see you later, alligator!